and welcome. Today's video we are unbagging my Ipsy Glambag for February. This is my paid for glam bag, and I thought it would be kind of fun to put it up against the PR bag. So y'all didn't ask for it, but I thought it would be kind of fun to kind of compare. So anywho, if you are new to the channel, hello, welcome. My name is Rana. If you are returning, thank you so much. I definitely appreciate it. On my face, I am in the middle of doing Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money? And I have up against the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand, pillow talk wand, all the things, wand, whatever you want to call it, from Amazon. So can you tell a difference in my face? Well, stay tuned for that. Is it a dupe or just a waste of money? Because I have compared these two. It's been on for a couple hours now, and I am so excited to potentially be saving you all some money. So anywho, like I was telling you all, we are unbagging my Ipsy, and this bag is like, in Kentucky, by the time I've paid taxes, it's just under $16. You do get to customize one item in the bag. So real quick, let's go over what was in my PR bag. I did do a dedicated video with the PR Glam Bag Plus for February, and then of course the Glam Bag. So the first item in here, and it's just going to be a quick little recap, is the Grown Alchemist Balancing Toner. Now, because it was sent in PR, I don't get to pick any of the items out. Next in here was the Cali, I think is how you say it, or Cali Americano liquid eyeliner. You always get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes they're full size as well. Next is the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax that was in here. Next is the mascara, and this is by like BFC. I think it's a little travel size mascara. And then we had the Pear Nova Lunar Lip Balm, which I actually really like this. Let me show you guys. It was definitely very balmy and lightweight. All right, and of course the bag. All right, so when I jump into mine, I have been able to get back into my account. I know I told you guys last year I struggled to be able to get into my account and make my choices for whatever reason, but they have since, I guess, fixed it, because every month I've been getting an email notification letting me know that, hey, it's time to go make your pick. All right, so I do have, oh boy, this has me nervous. So I do have a card in here, and the reason it makes me nervous is I don't have my BoxyCharm sitting in here, but do you guys see this writing? Okay, so epic news is coming. Well, BoxyCharm in their February box had some exciting big news. I have a gut feeling, and I don't know. This is just me talking out my backside. We've seen a lot of Boxy and Ipsy crossover thingies. Do you think they're gonna ship them together? Do you think they're gonna just become one? And if so, what are your thoughts on that? Because I will say, like, real talk here, guys, I really feel like ever since Ipsy took over Boxy, they've changed. Like, Boxy has definitely changed. It's not the typical Boxy I feel like we were used to back when Joe ran it. And I feel like Ipsy's changing Boxy into Ipsy. You know what I mean? Like, there's no, I wonder if they're getting rid of it. That makes me sad. But I think, you know, I guess things have to change. I'm not good with change, but that stinks. So it says we've got some epic news in the works, and we can't wait to tell you about it. Follow Ipsy. Literally all of the February cards in BoxyCharm said the same thing. Epic news is coming. Big news, whatever, is coming. Matter of fact, it was like on the back of the card, so you didn't even get to see like the prices or anything. Anyways, this one actually has laid out the products that are in my bag, which is always nice. I think the bags for February are freaking adorable. I love the color story. I love the little heart. I mean, this is just so cute. And I forgot to mention, it says self-love is the best love. So anywho, I just don't know what to think about that. All right, so the first item in here is another Grown Alchemist toner, so that is nice. That's kind of cool, and that's why I wanted to kind of show you all what was in the PR bag, because I really wanted to see like my paid for bag. What would come in that one? All right, next in here, ooh, I have the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Lipstick. Oh, I don't like the shade. So here's the shade in here. That's definitely not in my cozy zone, so this will go into a future giveaway. But I do like the component. Like, I think it's cute. That's definitely a conversation piece. Next in here, we've got the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. Wow, does that not bring back the 90s? This was, I remember my mom would take me to the skincare counter or the Clinique counter because it's funny because now it's a trend over on TikTok, like doing your makeup the way they said they did in the 2000s. I'm like, sweetie, we were doing that in the 90s. You know, we may not have had Dream Matte Mousse, but we did have the Wet n Wild where it was like maybe 4 colors or shades to choose from. And well, let's just say Anne and I did a video, I think it was like back in 2019, of like how we did our makeup in high school, middle school, whatever. Yeah, that was fun. Voice crack. That was embarrassing. Next in here we have the Wing Me. What is this? Or something by Wing Me. Ambitious Eyeshadow Duo. This is so pretty. That is so pretty. But I am going to just go ahead and put that in a giveaway or in one of my Poshmark bags as a thank you. When you guys purchase from me from my Poshmark closet, I like to make little goodie bags for you guys and put things in there. All right, next in here we've got that BFC again, and is this a purple liner? Okay, this looks like a liner I might like. Hold on, let's try and open this. Ugh, I don't like when they do the plastic all over. That drives me crazy. If this is like an electric purple, I'm low-key gonna be so excited. But if it's black, that's fine. As long as it's like a gel-based color, I'll be happy. Oh, okay. Well, it's a gray purple. Definitely not what I was thinking. So I don't think it's that bad. It'll probably work on my tight line, but you know, this really threw me off. I was expecting that. So when I got that, I'm like, can't win them all, Rhonda. All right, so that is everything in my paid for Ipsy bag. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. This apparently has a $20 retail value. This is a full-size product. The Appeal Cosmetics is also a full-size product of $21. The Grown Alchemist does have a retail value of $36 if you do pick up the full size. And the deluxe sample size of this would be full size $12. That made no sense, but you guys know what to expect here and what not to expect, right? All right, $32.50 for the full size. And I don't think this is a bad bag. I honestly kind of like, if I could have switched things out, I probably would have taken the brow and the balm. I think. I don't know. I think it's time for lunch or I need a snack. So, I don't know. Honestly though, you don't need another lipstick. It is kind of pretty though. That is a pretty color. I don't need it. I don't need it. Look at me trying to justify it. Okay. You know, maybe I'm being a little... I would have probably gotten rid of this and switched this for the brow stuff. That to me would have been a perfect bag. Like, drop that. Yeah. That would have been perfection, putting the benefit in there. But... you know, we can't win them all. So anywho, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. How is your Ipsy bag for the month? I don't know if Haley and I will be able to film our, you guys know the drill. You know, Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. If we are, well, then we'll be back to do it. But that baby child is busy, like really busy. But anywho, if we can do it, we definitely will. So let me know your thoughts down below. Definitely stay tuned for Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money on these products. I am so excited to show you guys. And anyways, friends, check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma04. I also have another channel. I'm not real consistent, but I just gotta edit it. But Hot Mess in the Kitchen for quick and easy budget-friendly meals for your family. And then a huge shout out to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate y'all. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this change.